Yo, what's up, people? Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? And I hope you're doing good. So let us get started with this tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at how can we copy this worksheet in here, and I'll copy it. That's all. So how can we copy it? So let us right click in here and copy it. Move or copy. There is no direct thing as copy. So we have move or copy, and we are going to create a copy, and I want it before the 7. It says before sheet, so I want it before the 7, and I'm going to press OK or click OK, and we're good. So we have our sheet 6 2. Well, good, right? Easy peasy, good. We have an easier way, by the way. So let us delete this. I'm going to come in here, drag this and put it here. Well, it doesn't make a difference, right? Now if I press Control and then drag it, as you can see, this page has a plus sign on it, or the mouse has plus sign on it. Now this plus sign indicates that I'm creating a new sheet. Now if I leave the mouse button, as you can see, a new sheet was created. Super duper easy, right? So just press Control and copy it and drag it wherever you want. You don't have to specify the before or after thing, which you had to do once or when you were actually working in here, because in here you have to tell it before sheet, so before this or whatever. Okay guys, that was all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.